This is the Melissa and Doug created by me DIY wooden airplane toy that you can paint and customize. Let's get into it. Hey guys, it's Trey the DIY Ninja, and today we are going to be unboxing, reviewing, and crafting with my son. This is a DIY airplane kit from Melissa and Doug, created by me. I'll put the link down in the description below from Amazon where I purchased this, and let's get to the unboxing. Okay, looks like you have some paint here. You have 4 different colors. You have 2 wheels and a little dowel to connect them into the airplane, the body of the airplane, some wings, stickers, a paintbrush, and this is just a little standard kind of Crayola-like paintbrush that you normally see for crafts for kids. There are 4 different paint colors that are vacuum sealed to prevent leakage, which is great, and it does seem to provide a lot of paint. And here's that little dowel I was talking about to connect the 2 wheels onto the plane. Let's just put that back in for now. And I like that everything is all wooden. Let's take a look at the wooden body of the plane. If I can take this out. There we go. So everything, like I said, is wooden, easy to assemble, and you just stick the dowel into that hole and then attach the wheels. Hopefully it comes with wood glue or some kind of glue of some sort. It should, though I don't see it at the moment. But there are no like super sharp edges or rough edges or any splinters. Everything's sanded down really nicely so that your little tot won't get hurt while using this. Yeah, this is a cool little airplane. So it even has a stamped model number on the bottom, Melissa and Doug, and then a little item model number. That's cool. Okay, let's see. So you have to put everything together yourself, paint and customize it yourself. This is the wing, and I apparently don't remember what an airplane looks like because that is not where that wing goes. That one, the big one, actually goes under the wheels, and this little one goes in the back. But for now it's okay, we'll assemble it later. Though after completing this kit, I must say in hindsight, I probably should have put everything together first and then let my son paint it. But it's really up to you, because he just put like globs and globs and layers of paints everywhere, so it was kind of hard to attach the wings at the end. But yeah, then there's this really cool sticker sheet that makes the airplane look super legit and real at the end. So yep, there's all these stickers that it comes with, and oh, there is the wood glue. That's great, that's super essential. So yeah, to glue on the wheels. And then if you lift this up, the packaging is actually like a little wooden display box. Or what I use this box for is so that he can put all the pieces in and paint it in the box. You can also have them paint the box because it is like a plain wood also. So yeah, super good kit. Comes with everything you need, and like I said, you can display it. There are different vehicles. This is the airplane one. They have trains, cars, and race cars and things like that. So the airplane one won't actually display that because it has wings. Okay, so here he is painting. He loves to paint one color at a time and paint the whole thing, and then we let it dry, and then he paints another color, and then we let that dry, and then he paints the next color and we let that dry. So since there are 4 colors, he did this over a span of 4 days, so it took about, almost a week to complete. But he really does enjoy this activity, and it takes up a lot of time. So if you have a little toddler or a child at home that you need to keep busy, this is definitely a great activity. This is also great for me. I have a lot of ideas on how to customize these things, but unfortunately every time I buy one of these kits, he thinks it's for him, so it is for him, but he won't let me play with it. He won't let me make it. He wants to do it himself. So yeah, it's a little DIY gene in him that he likes to just do everything himself and create everything himself. But yeah, he's so cute. He's like super neat. It's not messy. What I do is I use a piece of my scrap sublimation paper, the butcher paper that I can't reuse for sublimation, and I put on the table. So if he ever does get paint anywhere, it's a really easy cleanup. But overall, he's not messy. Okay, so I let him paint each piece separately, which took a really long time. And you also have to paint, you have to let the paint dry in between each layer. So that also took a really long time, and he likes to paint every single color one at a time. So like I said, this is really a good way to keep your little tot busy and occupied for a long period of time without them running around causing construction noises, as one person wrote in the comment of my video, which is super funny. They're like, it sounds like your house is under construction. But no, it's just my son, just my child. But yeah, this is probably like a mommy quiet time and baby art time, relaxation time. He's super focused and concentrated when he's painting, so he doesn't really talk, and he just like zones in on the craft and the project, and he really enjoys this kit. So I definitely recommend this to any new moms or moms out there, parents out there, just to help their kids, you know, stay creative and not overly hyper in the house. Okay, and after your child is done painting the plane as much as they'd like, you just have to attach the wheels with the wood glue. Pro tip, I use a black dry erase marker to color the wheels in, because it's just faster and easier, and it does stick to the wood really well. It doesn't rub off or anything. So after I just glued the wheels on, and this is what his plane looks like. It's all 4 different colors. The paint is uneven and clumpy, but it's okay. We're going to use the stickers to just jazz it up. So now I'm just handing him stickers, and I'm letting him place the stickers on wherever he'd like. Some of the stickers are really tiny and really thin, and you may need to help your child adhere some of the stickers, but majority of them they can put on themselves, depending on how old your child is. But yeah, he likes to put stars on the wings. And I'm letting him look at the sticker sheet and pick out which sticker he wants to put on next. And then I just hand it to him, and he sticks it on himself. So yeah, this is another way they can be creative. I really like this kit. There's just so many things they can do by learning how to put the plane together, painting, and decorating it by themselves. And then at the end of the day, they have like a really cool toy they can play with instead of just one that you bought already made from a store. It's kind of more special because they know that they made it themselves and they did everything they wanted to do to it. So yeah. He gets really excited when he sees all the vehicles and things that he made himself. So here I am helping him put on like the really thin long stripes, and there we go. And I'm just turning the plane around so that he can put the stickers on each side evenly. So sometimes I'll show him how to put on a sticker, and then I'll point him to the other side to put the same sticker in the same spot that I did on the opposite side, so that he learns about matching. So yeah, we're just gonna put some stickers on for a little bit. And here's the finished airplane! Wow, it looks so cool. It is so awesome. My son really had fun making this. I had fun helping him make it. I definitely recommend this craft kit for kids. My son rated this craft kit 2 thumbs up. So he really enjoyed it. Make sure to thumbs up this video, leave a comment down below, and hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!